6.5 liter. I wonder if that's the 390. Look at that gear shift now.
Yeah, that's super long.
That's up there. Let's see. Couple over here I think we missed.
Did you see the hood riser?
Yeah, the one. I know we didn't see that because I didn't see that hood riser. And the little lightning bolt. Tunnel ram, you don't see those anymore. Yeah, we saw that one. So we got all these. So we can either turn or we can hit those. Or is that where we came from?
That's where we came from.
Yeah,
right there.
okay.
I don't think we saw that.
Down this side. Oh. Malibu. Got the pace car. There's tons of Camaros here. A high boy. Look, the headers on this on the inside. The flathead. Is that just single turbo? It's got. I only see one turbo. Where is it? Where's? Oh, that's the other side of the intercooler. Slick. A lot of 57 Chevys and like the old Chevys, a lot of Camaros. Stingray. 57. That's pretty unique. Yeah. So does this thing have a turbo on it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
And I think it's got two.
Where's the other one?
I thought this was gonna. Oh no, it's not. It's a waste.
I didn't even see the turbo there. I saw the rest of it, but I couldn't find the turbo. Just barely fits in there. Got the Ford F100.
USA.
There you go. Oh, look at the turbo sticking up. That'll fit. You got plenty of room in that big hood. There's a clean looking Mustang over here. We didn't see. GTA.
50-50.
Yeah, the Sheriff Gremlin. Gotta see what this guy's got in here. Straight six. Gremlin with the straight six. This way. Check out this Model A, or is it Model T? Got the old 30s Ford, the Chevelle. Got the AMX, AMC. Might as well get this live shot here. The 55, I think. Yeah, no, 56.
Some lemonade.
Nah, I can't. Oh, it's a Hornet.
Big as the whole car.
That is crazy. I gotta watch her get out of it. Maybe I'll learn something.
Oh, where exhaust even come out?
I mean, so I got rid of my front. Yeah. A little warm in the car, too. I got it for the street.
All right. So I guess we go down here and then we come back around, go down the lanes. Makes sense, right? Got the 460. Couple of Deuce coupes. Did you see any of these? Another Grand National. A lot of chrome here. Cheyenne. Turbo Trans Am. It's the same engine.
Yeah, it looked like a similar setup.
It must be the 3.8 turbo 442. Just a couple of Novas back. Oh, check out that Mustang back there. You didn't see that Galaxy. The Galaxy. It's got to be like a 390 or a 427. I think we're going to be here a while, so.
We'll go around up the hill. You see that yellow Corvette? Alright, so keep down the
Just find shade where we can find it, I guess. GTO.
I bought a whole new dash when I put my new gate.
Got a race car here. Some drag tires on the back. About 4x4 club here. The Bronco. Yeah, I saw that. Got the other Bronco.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Got a little shade. Just good grass. Is this the Mustang we saw already? It's another GTA. I swear we saw that car already. Got the Mach 1. The Malibu. Mali. Porsche Club. Got the Porsche Club here. 911. 911 Turbos Club. Oh, retarded. See what's pulling out over. I think we're probably gonna miss it. No burnouts. I was just gonna go down this way. Big Ford. So we don't do cut down here and then come back up. Hit the money.
Oh, the SSR. Red, white, and blue.
Oh, you like that?
I like the truck.
Yeah, they cut it pretty nice. Got this Torino. Small block. What's a Marauder?
Mercury.
Yeah,
Saw a
Mercury.
newer
Yeah,
one over
yeah.
there.
Mercury Marauder. You're right. I've heard of that. Looks like a Galaxy or something. Yeah, Galaxy. The 428. It's a box. Boxing over. All right, so we saw them, right? We saw them. This side over here. Well, we could catch them when we come back around again. We can catch these. You want to just check these out back here real quick, and then it'll save us a little trip. GTX. What is that?
Bottle caps?
I don't know.
It's bottle caps.
Is it?
Oh no, it's not bottle caps. It looks like bottle caps.
Yeah, it's just like something they made. How's that roof look? Look at this column. Look at this column he made. I don't know, maybe it came
Oh,
with
for
that.
like the probably a hydraulics.
Oh yeah, the switches, yeah. Look at this with the 5.0.
With the Pro Charge.
5.0 swap. It's a Plymouth. This is like the Hudson Hawk from that movie. Man. You gotta find some shade. So we got these up top here. That's pretty much it. We got the nice rat rod right here. I want to check out this Mustang real quick. So back there, and then looks like there's some shade up there. What do you think of that? That metallic. That's a lot of metal flakes in there. Yeah, the flathead. Model A Mafia. Yeah, I guess we'll do that. Oh, let's go on. We got 340 CUDA. That's the first CUDA we've seen. We saw a lot of Mopars, but I haven't seen another CUDA. Another Chevelle. There's a cool Z28. These Chevys are nice too. Let's find that shade. It's getting rough. Oh, look, check this out. Got the Mally. Got some shade finally. think my battery just ran out. I'll check it up there in the shade. I think the battery got too hot too.
It looks cool, but it's a pain to get in and out of.
Where's a prowler?
You're a pro.
What? Yeah. The LS swap. Let's get up in that shade.
No, I don't think we saw a lot of it.
I don't think we saw this section right here. Maybe we could just go around and come back up here and then get in that shade. Because I think we missed this corner right here.
Thank you all for coming today. We will do a tribute from the
What's this?
And then I'm told that
Malibu, I think.
we will have awards.
It's like a race car. They just have them in my video game, so I always notice them. Get the 409.
Have some food, have some drink, and lots of conversation because today there's so many cars and people that you're going to learn something new guaranteed.
I think I've seen this car run. If it's the same Grumpy's. I've seen Grumpy's toy before. But that's Grumpy's Toys 5, so I don't know.
Cell phone here. Now I've added to the pile a large set of keys. I have a set of keys.
An Impala.
Does not belong to me.
This is
so when you
Lowrider
find
over
out,
here.
you may be looking for it. It is to a GF. Lost keys right here at the British South Tower.
That's low.
Shop top.
What's that engine? Is that a 5.0?
I don't know idea.
This engine here.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's the 464 boat that I was talking about earlier.
Yeah. I thought it was definitely a Ford engine. I don't think I think that could be a Mercury car. I think it's a Mercury. Yeah, we just didn't see this lane right here. We saw those. Like this goat, another goat, we didn't see that. ZR1, the Riviera. Oh, what do we got here? Salt Racer. Ford Salt Racer. 57 Ford. Ventura. What's it? That's a luxury automobile. Nice Galaxy. Alright, let's get up in that shade. Boss. Chevy Club. Here's a Porsche. See, these are the Corvettes I like. just want to get in the shade. I want to check out that. I can't tell if that's an Elko or if that's a Ranchero over there. I want to check that out.
That Malibu, that brown one, that's the big turbo.
Which Malibu? Nice Elko.